Welcome everyone to Code Slice. We're gonna be doing a special series, a mobile series. How can we use our phones to do our Kivy projects? Yes, once again, this is Code Slice. So please subscribe to ensure that you get the next videos, and also please like and comment as well. There is something new which I will be doing. I'll be reviewing all the Kivy apps. So if you have like some links to some Kivy apps that you'd like me to review, please share them in the comments. Yes, all right, let's jump right in. So in order to do your Kivy projects in your phone, you will need two apps. You can get all of these apps in Play Store. The first one, the first app you will need is PyDroid 3. PyDroid 3. This app will allow you to write your code. It will allow you to write your code, and then in order to visualize your code, you will need the Kivy launcher. So both of these you can get them from Play Store, so please do check them out. Yes, so I've already installed these apps, so yeah, let's check them out. All right, so the first one, once again, we have PyDroid there, PyDroid 3, and then we also have Kivy launcher. Yes, so if you open Kivy launcher, of course it will show nothing because we haven't created the project yet. Yes, so in order to create your project, the first thing you need to do is you need to create your Kivy folder. So let's go and create our Kivy folder. Depending on your phone, you will need to go to My Files or File Manager. It's different per phone. For me, it's My Files. So I'll go to My Files, My Device, and then I'll create a folder right there. And then I will name this folder Kivy, lowercase. All right. And then within that Kivy folder, that is where now I can put my project. So in this case, my project, this is Code Slice. That's the name of my project, Code Slice. Tut. Now maybe let's make it shorter. How about CS Tut? Yes, all right, so we have our project folder right there, but as you can see, there is nothing, right? So in order to have your project, in order to visualize our project, we need, of course, to write the code. So to write the code, once again, we will use PyDroid. So let's go and open PyDroid. All right, there is nothing here. Yes, so there's nothing here, of course. So let's go on and write our code. So in this case, I will write a simple code, which is just a label with hello. All right, let's go on and type the code. From Kivy app, import app. All right. From kivy.lang import builder, from kivy.screen manager import screen. All right, okay, builder. Okay, loading our string right there. Okay, our class, what do we call it? We can call it start, right? Our class. Okay, class start, and that's our screen. Okay, let's go on and pass. Okay, and then we can create our main app class. Okay, build self. Okay, then we will return our start screen. All right, let's go on and run that. Main app dot run. All right, so now we have our code. We can put our label there, label, then text. Hello world. And let's say this is code slice. All right, so now we have our code right there. So once you've written your code, as you can see here, we need to save it, right? So it's very important that you save it within that folder, your project folder. So Kivy, CST, select folder, and we'll save this as main.py. All right. So even though we have the our code saved there, if you open Kivy Launcher, it will still show nothing. In order for it for Kivy Launcher to display your code, what you need to do is you need to create a text, an Android text. I'm going to show you how to create it. So let's go and create new. So we're creating a new file here. So your Android text file, what it needs to contain 3 things. 1, the title. So in this case, the title of the project is what? It's CS code slice tut, right? And then also you need to also write the author. In this case, the author is code slice. All right, and then lastly, the orientation. The orientation, it can be portrait. All right. Okay, so now that we have our Android text, we can go on and save it into the folder. Save as, very important, it's a text file. So Android text, txt file. Once you save that and then you run the code, sorry, let's open our launcher, Kivy launcher. Okay, it's still not showing. So when it's not showing like this, it means that there's an error either within our text file or maybe within the folder where you saved your file. Let's go on and check. I see. If you look here, the text file is outside of the project. So let's go on and put it inside of our project folder. Very important. There we go. As you can see, it's inside our project folder. All right, there we go. So now we can see the project. This is good. If it's like this is good. It means that Kivy Launcher is finally picking up your project. So at the top there, you can see your project name, and then underneath you can see the author. So code slice, this is code slice. Once again, please subscribe. We're going to be doing our very first app using our mobile phone. This is going to be cool, so stay tuned. Please do subscribe. So let's go on and run that and see what happens. It's opening. It closed. Yes. So I did this on purpose, actually. The reason why it closed, it means that there's an error within your code. When it closes like this, it's not that the app is failing, but it just means that there's an error within your code. So you need to go to PyDroid. The beauty of PyDroid is that it leaves your files open. So you can always just easily go to it, then you can add it. So if you look at this code here, the error here is that I didn't import the label. So let's go on and import the label from kivy.uix.label import label. All right. Yes, and another beauty of using PyDroid is that you can just, since it remained open, you can just save it. and then it will update your main.py. And once again, let's go and run it and let's see what happens. Oh, it still failed. Which means there's another error. Okay, what other error? The builder.load string, return start, a main app, start, screen manager, import screen. Okay, let's import Kivy and let's see if that makes any difference. Let's try it out again. Okay, it's still, for the life of me, I cannot identify the error here, but there's an error within the code. Screen builder.lang, kivy.lang import. Screen, okay, screen is there. Okay, we've got an error, people. We've got an error. Let's try again. Okay, so as you can see, it won't open until I am able to identify the error. So there's an error here which I am trying to figure out. I think I have an idea if what the error is. Okay, so then that's the error. Okay, so I think string is supposed to be like this. Builder.load string. Yes, that's how it's supposed to be. And then here. Okay, it should work. What? It's not working. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. So as you can see, Kivy Launcher is very sensitive to even the smallest errors. Yeah, even the smallest errors that you might have in the code, if there is that error, it will not work. Class start dot build. Okay, so let's also put screen manager. I don't think that's an error though. Import Kivy. Okay, Kivy is imported. The label is imported. Start screen is imported. Main app is imported. Return start. Okay, let's go on and save that. Okay, for the life of me, I cannot identify the error within the code. So if you do notice the error, please do share with me what the error is within the code. I think this is quite a good challenge for everyone. So once again, I'm going to show you the full code. Here we go. Yes, so please, this is a challenge to you. What is the error in this code? What do you see? For the life of me, I'm unable to see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of my existing code just to demonstrate how it works. So I'm going to remove the project here. As you can see, I am removing it out, or let me just delete it. So I'm deleting it there. And then I'm going to display one of my my previous projects that I've done. I saved them here, I believe. Yes, there we go. I'm going to put it in that folder. Remember, it must be within the Kivy folder. All right. So let's go on and let's go and open our, as you can see, that's one of my projects that I did earlier. Oh, there we go. As you can see, Kivy Launcher opened my project. Yes, there's a button there. So Kivy Launcher is definitely working. And if I can open the code for you, so I can also open the code using PyDroid. I can go on and navigate to the folder, my app, and this is the code right here. As you can see, this is the code. Yeah, this is the code right here. This is the code right here. Yes, yeah. And this code is what is running there. So for instance, if I can change this here. I can change simply code slice to code slice and save it. And then it will update here. So once I open it, as you can see, it will update the code. There we go, code slice. Yes, everyone. So this is the first tutorial regarding how to use PyDroid and Kivy Launcher together. So in our next tutorial, we will be actually doing our very first app, our very first app. So please do stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please also do let me know what the error was in the code that I had written just before. All right, this is all from Code Slice. Thank you. Thank you.